Hi guys, we will present to you the differences between sovereignty and sovereign rights. Sovereignty is known as the super authority of a state to govern itself without external interference. Meanwhile, sovereign rights are specific rights derived from the sovereignty, like involving exclusive jurisdiction over natural resources or activities within a state territory or maritime zones under the international law.
Let's talk about maritime zone. There are three types of maritime zones. First, zones under the sovereignty of states, which is the territorial sea that extends up to 12 nautical miles of the country's baselines. These zones also including the internal waters and archipelago waters. And the second zone is under sovereign rights of state. First, the exclusive economic zone shall not extend beyond 200 nautical miles from the baseline from which the breadth of the territorial sea is measured. The second one is continental shelf that pertains only to the seabed and subsoil, which typically extends out to 200 nautical miles from the baseline. Lastly, zones not subject to sovereignty or sovereign rights of states, which is the high seas that is beyond 200 nautical miles.
How do we differentiate between sovereignty and sovereign rights? Basically, sovereignty means a state's complete power and independence to govern itself, manage resources, maintain defense, and engage in international relations, free from outside interference. It applies to internal waters and territorial seas. This is provided under Article 2 of the United Nations Convention on Law of the Sea, which provide for sovereignty of the coastal states. Also, in Article 3 of the same convention, mention on which a state can claim up to 12 nautical miles of territorial sea.
For sovereign rights give a state recognized control in specific areas like economic zones or natural resources. These rights allow the state to manage and exploit these areas without implying full sovereignty or ultimate control over them. In Article 56 of the Convention, confers sovereign rights on states for the exploitation, exploration, conservation, and management of living and non-living resources in the waters of their EEZs and control shelf.